Now there's one less lie you have to tell your kids. Buckley's Jack and Jill. It works, and yeah, it tastes good.
Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Frank Buckley.
For those of you suffering from hacking coughs and minor bronchial irritations due to colds, get well soon.
Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Frank Buckley.
Buckley's cough mixture is not available in an extra strength formula. Consider yourself lucky.
Mr. Frank Buckley and guests.
Now you can count on our Buckley's bedtime to relieve dry hacking coughs and runny noses to help you get to sleep, so you won't have to count on them. Excuse me. New Buckley's Extra Strength Cold and Flu Caplets. Same Buckley's toughness on flu symptoms, no awful taste. Unless, of course, you chew them. Buckley's Extra Strength Cold and Flu. It's tough on the flu.